They swing with girls, they swing with boys.
What?
They wear their pearls and they swing with toys. They swing in masks.
Down, this gonna go down, this freaking vibes is so nice. Gonna drink.
What's up, my peeps? Welcome back to my channel. As always, I appreciate you guys tuning in. Story time again. Original video will be in the link below, narrated by ITomFoolery. This is about the swingers. Swing high, swing low. Swing with Sally, swing with Joe. Since you're here right now, like this video, share it, help me grow the channel. Now enjoy the story.
Reach Around Books presents Come Swing With Us.
Trouble.
Tim and Kate are swingers.
No.
They really love to swing. They swing high, they swing low. They swing with Sally, they swing with Joe. When they swing, there is no norm. They swing with girls, they swing with boys.
What?
They wear their pearls and they swing with toys. They swing in masks, they swing in leis. But if you ask, they both will say, we want to swing with a unicorn.
What?
They switch,
XRP.
they swap, they push, they pull. Their swinging parties are always full.
RG party.
Kate will swing
Swap.
with 6 or more,
Wife swap.
while Tim takes pics. Pics galore. Tim
Photographer.
likes to watch,
Porn
so
star.
watch he does. Tim likes to film it, just because.
You have no
They
style,
swing in
Tim.
France and in Manila. They even swing with plain vanilla.
What?
They swing all night, from dusk till dawn, hoping to find a
Why are they
unicorn.
obsessed with
They know
unicorn?
she's
Watch
out there,
XRP.
within
you
their
have enough
reach.
to sell.
Someday they will swing with her on the beach. While they try to find that beauty, Tim will swing with something fruity.
Tim, I want to look a freak, you know. Tim is a big old freak about something fruity. Alright, my peeps, I really hope you guys enjoyed the video, had a laugh. Now I'm asking you kindly to just like the video, share the video, leave a comment, subscribe. Until next time, stay safe.
Watch me ask you down, this gonna go down, this freaking vibes is so nice.